Welcome back to the English classroom. My name is Nisha and today's session is a practice session on articles. I have linked the articles video to help you with all your doubts. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us now start with the practice exercise. The first one, I will meet you in dash hour. Your options are a, an or the. The correct answer is I will meet you in an hour. The next one, what did you do with dash book I lent you? Your options are a, an or the. The correct answer is what did you do with the book I lent you? Because here we are talking about a specific book. The next one, New York is dash very costly place to live in. Your options are a, an or the. Your correct answer is New York is a very costly place to live in. The fourth one, have you ever visited dash United Kingdom? Is it a, an or the? Tricky one, isn't it? The answer is have you ever visited the United Kingdom? The fifth one, Jude was dash carpenter. Your options are a, an or the. The correct answer is Jude was a carpenter. The sixth one, Lisa is dash English teacher. Your options are a, an or the. What is it? Lisa is an English teacher. The seventh one, he plays dash piano very well. Options are a, an or the. The correct answer is he plays the piano very well. The eighth one, I'm thinking of buying dash new pair of trousers. Options a, an or the. I'm thinking of buying a new pair of trousers. Easy one, isn't it? The ninth one, honest men speak dash truth. Your options are a, an or the. Honest men speak the truth. The last one, that melted the snow in dash Himalayas. Options are a, an or the. That melted the snow in the Himalayas. What was your score today? Do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, as always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Tune into the channel for more content. Until then, happy learning.